Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also that bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content that I make, and that I make so much of it, please take a second when you arrive to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on this huge YouTube platform. So I'm thanking everyone in advance for the support of the thumbs up, because YouTube has informed us that those thumbs up really matter for them to know if you're enjoying this type of content. And then they will put this type of content in front of other people that enjoy this type of content, but they just haven't had an opportunity to meet me yet. So I appreciate so much that thumbs up. Okay, guys. This is really exciting because I write a lot back to you guys. I answer all of the comments on there. And as I'm learning things, I've been doing this now 3 years. So as I learn things, when I work with these companies or I have the opportunity to learn through experience, I like to share that along to you guys. And then a lot of times you guys share all of that, you know, with me down here. As you know, I was getting the boxes before I even decided to do a channel. So for me, everything that I was learning, I got very lucky because when I started with Ipsy, and then Boxycharm came around and everything was just one box. So as they grew, I grew with them by purchasing their other boxes and learning along the way. So it's a lot easier to understand how everything works when you're growing, when they're growing. So when they add something new, then you're only learning one new thing. So that's why I appreciate so much when you guys are only getting into subscription boxes now. You appreciate this channel for sharing with you a lot more information than other channels do. So I really didn't know, because a lot of people, when I was watching, they were trying to, you know, say, oh, I hope this video is not too long, or I hope all that. I choose to do this channel the way I'm comfortable doing this channel, and I had to do it where it fit into my schedule, but be able to still share with you the information. So I appreciate everybody that has been part of this growth. And we're growing at such a nice pace that literally we just celebrated hitting that 4K at the 3-year anniversary, which was at the end of July. And now I'm already putting another giveaway box together so that we can celebrate hitting that halfway point to that 5,000, which is blowing my mind. I'm even saying these numbers. So thank you to everybody who has been part of this growth, and we will definitely be filming something shortly after I finish putting what I want into this box in a future video. So today what we're going to be discussing is the drop shop. And the reason I'm doing this, even though I only have one item in one box and one item in the other, is this is what I wanted to share with you. A lot of times Boxycharm sends us down some information that they'll say there's a duplicate item, so they give you a $6 credit. And for the longest time, I was like hesitant to use that $6 credit for the simple reason that you have to buy usually at least $25 to get that minimum free shipping. And like I've shared with you all the time when we go through all the products, free shipping to me is something that I always seem to want to hit that plateau. But more importantly, it's really, really good to do that when you're shopping on the Boxycharm drop shops. The reason being that for the $5 or $6 that they would charge us for the shipping, you can get probably 1 to 2 full-size products. That's why I always show you how I shop high to low or low to high, so I know exactly where, if I'm short just a few dollars, where I can go back and choose that product to get me to that threshold. However, with these coupons, if you end up with those $6 coupons, that does not apply. Free shipping is included in that. You're still going to pay the handling fee, that $1.99 now. That's part of, you know, everything that we do with Ipsy and Boxycharm. But that $6 shipping will not be on there. So as you know, on my channel, I get 2 base boxes that I pay for and 2 premium boxes that I pay for that are 2 separate accounts. And ironically, this month I had a duplicate in one of my boxes on one account and another one on the other. So I had two $6 that I couldn't combine because they're treated separately and you can only use one coupon. So I had to shop on like two separate accounts to be able to do this. And that's why I ended up choosing just one item in one and one item in the other. So I do have the information down for the items that I picked. And that's why I got these really, really cute small boxes because there was only one item in each one. And that's what I wanted to do because I really didn't want to spend, you know, $25 in one to use a coupon and then $25 in the other. So I wrote to them and they shared that within the letters that they send out that free shipping is there. So a lot of times we get so much information thrown at us, we don't always know. And that's why I chose to do this video, to show you the two items that I got, but more importantly, the information that if you get that $6 coupon, you really don't have to worry. You could just go in, buy something for that $6, and then you'll just end up paying the tax plus that $1.99. I hope that helps. All right, so the first item that is in here was one that I wanted to share with you guys because Nars is a brand for me that has always been one that when you read the magazines and you see the glamorous celebrities on the carpets, a lot of times I was seeing this Nars name. And then when I would go into the department stores, everything on this brand was really the higher end for me for a luxury brand. But when I had the opportunity during sales to pick up some Nars products, I understood why, and I fell in love with this brand. So I always waited for sales in the department store of when this brand was going to go on sale. And now with online, you can sign up for emails and always find out when these deals are going on. But the fact that Nars is now part of Boxycharm and Ipsy's family, we get some amazing, amazing deals. I also got some amazing deals on this brand through FabFitFun as well. So when I had that free $6, I started to look around, and what really caught my eye was a Nars Blush in a shade that right now, all these girls are going nuts on Instagram for a pink blush that is sold by Dior. And they're trying to find dupes and everything for this pink blush. And I knew that years ago, a lot of the colors that I used to wear were these purples and these pinks and things like that. And then when I started to get into the boxes, I started to learn more about the reds and the warm colors, and I really started to play a lot more. So today when I was going to do a purple look, I said, you know what, I'm going to try this pink blush, and it is absolutely stunning. It's the blush that I'm wearing on right now. There's a full mirror in this. These are the complete size retail packed products that you would get if you were shopping at the Nars counter. And then they always come with a little, it's to stop the product from getting onto the mirror. And then let me just put this here like this. And then this is the product here. So I'm gonna do a little swatch here, but you can see it on my cheeks right now. This is the color that we got here. And the information on this is normally a $30 blush. I ended up paying, the cost of this was $12. So I used my $6 coupon to that, and I got charged the $1.99 and then some tax. So I ended up paying $8.41 to get this to my door. So I'm gonna swatch this right here so you guys can see how beautiful this pink is. So to me, this is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm on trend with everything that's going on Instagram, but I ended up paying $8.41 to my door for a $30 Nars blush. That's what I mean. It is absolutely fantastic when you are part of the subscription of a Boxycharm or an Ipsy to have access to these type of brands and prices. It blows my mind. So what they wrote about this here, they're saying it is a buildable, blendable, indispensable, uncover the best in glow. Their cult favorite, best-selling Nars Blush delivers a weightless natural look, a rush of cheek color in matte, satin, and shimmer finishes. This one to me is a matte, but there's some, like the Orgasm has a bit of shimmer to it, which is really beautiful as well. It says it is a super fine micronized powder with pigments that ensure an irresistible, soft, blendable application. It has buildable shades for sheer to bold delivery and a natural wash of color for every skin tone. A light swipe of even the highest intensity hues delivers a natural looking flush. It is super fine silky powder. It is irresistible, as well as this blush is what they are calling the new bold. And it says for shades that may appear too bold or soft for your skin tone, you always just simply customize your application. And what they mean by that is you use brushes that the bristles are just more sparse, or they're ones that are fluffier, they're not so densely packed. And that's how you get, if you have too bold a color, you will get an application that will go on a lot lighter. And as they said here, for bolder shades, use a small amount of product and gently blend onto the apples of your cheeks to create that wash of color. And then for the softer shades, they say start with a small amount of product and then build as you desire. So that was the first item that I got. The next one was one that I didn't choose for myself. And then when I got the $6 coupon, I said, you know what, I'm gonna treat myself. And just by the packaging alone, with all these cute gold pieces in here, you know what is inside this packet. So when I open this up, I put a little sticker here because when you slide this open, these little guys show up everywhere. And this one is the one that I also had another $6 coupon, and this is the McGrath Labs. It is the Eyedols Eyeshadow, and the shade that I got is in Enraptured. And this is what it looks like here. And we're gonna do a swatch of this because I cannot believe this had a sticker on it. Let me see if I took this off properly so I can open it. Yeah, so this is what it looks like here. What I try to do is open up everything prior to sitting down so that I can make sure everything that's in the box should be in the box, that nothing's damaged, and remove any of the excess packaging so I'm not filtering with anything here, because I don't have the time to edit my videos. I have to film it and then I watch them back when you're watching them as well. So if you're not following me, I also take a picture for Instagram, and I share a lot of information there on a lot of products that I don't have to do videos for, which pretty much would have been something like this. So if you're interested to follow me there, it's also free, and it's True Once with the number 2. All right, so we're gonna swatch this guy, but let's just read a little bit about this one first. Again, this had that $6 off coupon. This is normally a $25 one pan eyeshadow, and they had it on sale for us in the drop shop for $9, which was already a steal. But because I had that $6 off, but then they still charged that $1.99 handling fee plus tax, I got this home for $5.20. And this one here says the cult classic creme de la creme of Mother's iconic shadows are now starring solo in this seductive singles in this tantalizing array of textures and hues. It says it is architecturally sculptured as well as contour, and will define the lids with a pure pigment technology of these rich, creamy, ultra soft colors. So here we go. This finger is going into a $25 one pan eyeshadow, and it does feel like cream. And I am hoping I do not fall in love with this, but if I do, I will use this sparingly and hope that we will get other, oh my God, it's like a foil. This is beyond words. I cannot believe what this looks like here. That is crazy. So I am learning, I am playing, I am enjoying. But like I said, to be able to get access to a $25 eyeshadow palette, which I would never even have looked at, but for $9, I probably would have treated myself. But then when I had that $6 coupon, it was an absolute no-brainer. So really excited to have the opportunity to swatch and share these products with you. On my hand, I have a Nars $30 blush and a McGrath $25 eyeshadow palette that I got home for like less than $15. I mean, it is insane. Anyways, wanted to share that with you, but more importantly, I wanted to share with you about how I use it when I get those coupons, when we get duplicate products, and how we're able to enjoy the second product to either give as a gift or to add it to our, products that we would want to have got a replenishment of anyways. So to me, it always works in my favor now when I end up with a duplicate product that I know that I don't have to reach that threshold of $25. So please share with me in the comments down below if you knew that you didn't have to pay that free shipping when you got these $6 coupons for duplicate products. And if you did you use them the way that I did, or did you still get to that $25 threshold, which is really easy to do. But I really wanted to test it and make sure, and then be able to share it with you guys here on the channel. So that's it for today, guys. Just wanted to share that, and I will see you all again soon in the next video. Take care, everybody, and stay well.